Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making a quick and easy keto Caesar salad dressing. I have been obsessed with Caesar salads this whole summer, and last weekend we found out that in our new backyard we have a lemon tree and it's lemon season, so I decided to try to make a Caesar dressing myself. It turned out so well, so I'm going to share the recipe with you today. So far when I've made this dressing, I use it right away. I make it fresh and use it on a salad. I don't store it in the fridge, so just keep that in mind when I go through the ingredients and the process. So for this recipe, which makes 2 dinner-sized portions and 4 side salads, is a clove of garlic, 6 anchovy fillets in olive oil ideally, 2 large egg yolks, half of a lemon juiced, 3/4 of a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and half a cup of vegetable oil. I use avocado oil, and then 3 tablespoons of shredded parmesan. So you're going to mince your clove of garlic really finely, and then you're going to add the 6 anchovy fillets, and then you're going to also chop those up as finely as possible. Mix them in with your chopped garlic to create a paste. I'll usually, once it's all incorporated, just kind of smash it all with the sides of the knife to create the paste and then put it in a medium-sized bowl. Then you're going to add the 2 egg yolks. If you're not, again, using egg yolks, you can use 2 tablespoons of mayo and whisk it together really well until it's incorporated. Then you're going to juice half of the lemon and also beat that until it's completely emulsified and smooth. Next, you'll add half to 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, depending on your preference. I like it a little spicy, so I add a little more. Some people add less. It's really up to you. And then you start incorporating the olive oil. I do it in 2 to 3 batches, 2 tablespoons in total. And again, you just want to do it in batches so that it gets really incorporated and emulsified. Then you're going to go in with your vegetable oil. As I mentioned, I use avocado oil, and you're doing about half a cup again in batches so that it mixes in really smoothly. Similar to the raw egg, the anchovies are also optional. I forgot to mention that, but just letting you guys know that. The final step is to add the shredded parmesan, about 3 tablespoons, and then some freshly cracked pepper. I then add my chopped romaine right into the bowl and give it a toss. I love this salad because it's so keto friendly. Between the anchovies and the eggs and the olive oil and the avocado oil, it's got tons of good fats. And then you can top it with chicken or whatever you want, and voila,